What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Unbox Monday. So this Unbox Monday is based on the Revell 1953 Chevy panel. So let's go in the box, see what's in the box, open it up, see what's inside, and take a bit more detail later on. Alright, so let's dive right into it. So first up, you get your clear parts. Not many, but your necessary clear parts. Windshield, back glass, headlights, flashers. Very cool. You get your decals. Decals are very neat. Look at those. Very neat. Alright, let's take a look at the chrome. Chrome tree, you get your couple bumpers. Engine parts, belts and pulleys. Yeah, belts and pulleys. Here's your wheel options. Those are pretty neat. Grill. Valve covers. Pretty neat. Okay. Alright. Let's get to the white motor parts. So this tree has your hood. Your seats. These are your racing seats, I believe. Yeah, hook, springs, and here's your stock seats. Okay. This one has your back. This is your drag suspension for your drag version. Front axle, interior pan, chassis. Wheelbacks. Let's see here. Looks like another interior pan, I believe. Has that textured. And your back door. That's pretty neat. And door panels. Right. This tree has your main chassis. Couple engine parts in there. Yeah. Dashboard. A couple of parts here. Very cool. And your exhaust system right there. Very neat. And the last tree is a big one. Whoa. You got tons of tools here. That's pretty neat. Got a cross wrench. That's pretty neat. Fan and your steering wheel. Your big engine. And your stock front suspension right here. Your back axle, rear axle. Spare tire, radiator, leaf springs. More engine parts. Your stock seat backs. Dry shaft. Very cool. And last up is your body. Body is very cool. This is actually pretty good. It's not clean because you can clearly see the mold lines. Oh yeah, you can really see that. So you gotta do some sanding. It's all around here, mold lines. So it's not a clean mold, but it's clean enough. So you can be doing some sanding. You can clearly see the mold lines. Pretty well pronounced. But other than that, body is actually pretty decent. Very cool. And last up is your tires. So you do get 4 stock tires, and they're branded TRX something. There's some kind of name around there. I don't know what they are, but you have 4 of those. If you do a stock version, there's your 4. If you do the drag version, then you can be using 2 of them. And tread pattern is actually pretty decent. And you do get your 2 drag sticks. Hard vinyl, no name, but aftermarket decals can help you with that. And a little scuffing could make those look like $1 million right there. But yeah. So after taking a very good look at this kit, I do recommend this kit. If you want to do a nice, clean, easy build, you can do this a drag or stock. Both ways look pretty neat. I personally might do this for the stock version, because the stock version was very neat. The engine detail is not quite there. The engine, it is kind of stacking detail, as you can see right here in the box art. But if you just want to do a quick, easy box stock kit, this should be easy brass. But if you want to really detail the heck out of this kit, which I might, to be honest, and I might get the aftermarket engine for this. So that's my plan for this kit. But anyway, guys, I do recommend it. It's a very good, clean kit, and it's very cool, to be honest. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll catch you guys on next Unbox Monday, and I'll put a little poll right here for my next Unbox Monday. I'll probably do Unbox Monday every other Monday. So there's the next 3 kits I might unbox. So choose your pick. I'll do it on this. I might do polls here on YouTube on my Unbox Monday videos. And sometimes I might just do it on my Instagram. Have my Instagram folks over there vote also, because some Instagram guys don't have YouTube. So, but they do, because they obviously watch me, but you know, they don't have a YouTube channel. So we'll go back and forth. So this week I'm gonna have you choose right there, and whoever wins, that's the one to be unboxing. Alright guys, until next time, I'll catch you guys later. Bye for now.